Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today, checking out these this two-piece silicone air fryer placement. These are to like replace like parchment sheets. So air fryers are kind of big. I got one cook like fries, wings, things like that in it. They're pretty handy. But one thing with them is sometimes like stuff gets stuck to the bottom of the air fryer drawer. So you put stuff in there and the juices and stuff kind of get stuck on there and it's kind of hard to clean. Silicone is really, this is like food grade silicone. So these, if you put parchment paper in your air fryer, these are just kind of like, so you don't have to keep wasting parchment paper. It has nice ridges in here too, so it allows not only the air to circulate through there too, but if there's grease and stuff, it'll kind of catch in those ridges, so it's not causing your food to get all like greasy and stuff like that. So air fryer is generally more healthy than like regular frying. So these are pretty cool. It comes with little handles here, so you can grab it out of there easily and take it out and clean it. So silicone's super easy to clean, and this comes with a 2-pack of these. So that's pretty handy. I'm going to go ahead and try these in my air fryer now. We got to test it out, of course. So I'll probably do some wings and just some like tater tots in there and check it out. So, all right, let's go do that right now then. Well, let's test this out. So this fits nicely there in my air fryer, and we're going to make some tater tots here. Tater tots. All right. Stick these in here. Let's see, which one's tater tots? It's like French fries there. Let's see, how do we stop this? Okay, French fries. I think that's it. Yeah. All right, so 15 minutes, and we'll see you guys in a second. All right, 15 minutes is up. Nice and crispy in there. Just need a hot pad. Place that there, and then I can, oops, still a little hot, so I guess I can grab those out with my finger. There we go. Well, my friends, look at that. No mess to clean up there at all. So that's super convenient. This is still kind of warm though. I was a little confused or a little worried maybe that there wouldn't be enough airflow here, but these are nice and crispy also. So that works really well. And I'm just going to clean this real quick and see how difficult that is. All right. I mean, I just rinsed that off. There's really nothing left in there, but just in case there's any oil residue or something like that. And we are done. And these things dry fast too. So pretty much just shake them out. Water, nothing really sticks to silicone very well. So, and I'm pretty sure you can cook other stuff in this as well. You can probably put bread in there, brownies, anything else. I mean, up to like, I think you'd be safe up to 500 degrees or 450. So you can cook different things in here. So yeah, definitely if you guys have a air fryer, these are a pretty good way to go there. Cuts down on your cleaning time and everything like that. So thanks for watching this video. You guys have a great day. Well, friends, as you can see, this works really well. The first few times we used our air fryer, nothing really stuck to it, but after time, when you're cleaning it, then stuff starts sticking to it, especially like with the chicken and the barbecue sauce and that. But with these just kind of eliminates that problem while it still allows the air to flow freely through there. And then cleanup is amazingly easy, strong and durable, easy to clean, and doesn't take up much space. I mean, if you were to store it somewhere, you could just fold it up or whatever. So definitely a handy little item, guys, if you have an air fryer. If you want to check this out on Amazon, I'll link it in the description below. This runs $15 or $16, $15.99 on Amazon right now. This is the half-is two-piece silicone air fryer liner, so you get a couple of them, and definitely very handy for air fryers. Also, you can put them in the microwave, you can put them in the oven, you can put them in a refrigerator. So not just air fryers. Like I said, you could probably put brownies in here and just cook them like bread and things like that. So these are super durable, and silicone's resistant to like high temperatures, negative 60 degrees or negative 40 and up to 465 degrees. So lots of different applications. So just a handy little thing to have, guys. I appreciate you guys watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it, and I'll see y'all next time. You guys have a great day and stay safe out there.